Today we're going to do the stick figure, but we're going to add some features and joints to it. So very loosely, draw a circle for the head. Just like in the stick figure we drew yesterday, we're going to start with the head. I started drawing very loosely at first with the construction line. And then just like yesterday, I'm going to draw a line straight down. Like that. Here's how it's going to differ from yesterday. We're going to draw a square right underneath the circle. That represents the chest of the character. And then we're going to draw a rectangle down at the bottom, which is about half the height of this one. That's where the hips are and the pelvis. I'm going to go ahead and darken this in because we're just practicing today. We're working a little bit also on proportions. So off to the side, we're going to do a circle. This represents the shoulder. Draw a diagonal line like that to the elbow. And then draw a line up like this for the forearm. And just a circle for the hand. You can do the same thing on the other side. Shoulder, elbow, forearm, and hand. The proportions on this are going to be a little bit different because I didn't give myself enough space down here. So I'm going to do a little circle for the hips. And maybe instead I'll make his leg go out like this and like this to give him a really funny looking stance. This is where the knees are. This is the bottom of the leg. And then another circle for his feet. Notice I've overlapped a little bit past, and actually it's not a circle, it's an oval. And again, the proportions are not exactly right either yet, but we can work on proportions a little bit later. So after you've done the construction drawings lightly, take a picture of this, and then go back in and darken it in. And since I'm using my phone for my video right now, I'm not going to be able to take a photo of it, but please take a photo of it with the construction lines first. And if you want to change the position of this character too, that is perfectly fine. In other words, if you don't like it in this position, create your own position. I'm going to post a link to a really cool Pinterest page that has a bunch of different positions that we're going to play around with for the next couple of days. So for now, this is what your final drawing should look like. Again, upload this to your Google Drive, both pictures, the construction line picture and this quote-unquote final picture. And then we're going to put those on your Google slideshow for today.